हेलो गाइस, दिवान से हेलो।
हेलो।
हेलो। आज मैंने अपने बेबी के लिए स्टडी मटेरियल मंगाया है जो ये globalshiksha.com से मंगाया है। लेट्स सी इसमें क्या निकलता है।
मम्मी क्या कर रहे हो?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इरेजर,
मैं ले लूं। मम्मा जी ले लूं।
these are flashcards like match the shape with object. This is a square and square shape is like carom board and watch. So
मम्मी ऊपर नहीं हो
we
रहा।
have to choose which is the correct one. A carom board or a watch. So its answer is carom board. Carom board is a shape of square.
मम्मा
Trace the object, color the rocket. These are flashcards. A lot of flashcards. Then basically these flashcards related to our maths, and these flashcards related to English, like match the starting letter L C G. There's a
जी
leaf,
मम्मा जी
car,
की
and gift. So we have to match. Choose the match with sound O. Choose the image with A sound. Tick name of the object. These flashcards are of English.
मम्मा वाले
Then again a flashcard which is related to our maths. We
मम्मा का
like we have to count and write. There are three things: banana, brinjal, and carrots. Child have to count. Divansh, wait, yaar. Count and then write the digits.
मम्मी का
First, come here.
मम्मा ने दे चिकला दे लेटवा
These are stars. These are again stars. These flashcards are of EVS. Match animal with the baby. These flashcards are totally related to our EVS. Then these flashcards related to our English, like what is A? A for ant, aeroplane, alligator, arrow, and we have to trace an alphabet of A. Child will make an alphabet of A using these lines. And these flashcards are totally reusable.
ये
We have to write on these flashcards with the sketch pen to provide, and then rub it with the use of this kind of eraser.
मम्मा जी के
They also provide me a folder like bag. That's all. So in this kit I get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 packets of flashcards and the 2 stars, 1 eraser and 1 sketch pen, 1 packet of sketch pen. And this kit is of cost 1499 after getting a discount. Its actual price is 2599. So I hope my child will enjoy it. Let's see. If you want to get this kit, you will get it by using a link I will share at the description board. Now it's time to buy. Okay, bye bye. Divyan, say bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Ado.